How to make money online in South Africa. I've been wanting to make this video for so long, and I know that South Africans are interested in the topics of online money because not so long ago Bitcoin was the #1 search term right here in South Africa. That's right here in South Africa. As a South African, it can be tough because we have our own restrictions to deal with when it comes to making money online. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the 4 ways you can make money online right here in South Africa, and then I'm going to talk about what is the single best way to make money online if you are South African, and especially if you are broke. Let's get it. The first way to make money online is dropshipping. This business model is really cool. Basically what you do is you build up a Shopify store around a certain niche. Then what you do is you go to a cheap supplier in China, like a website like AliExpress, and then you go and find products after extensive research which you think will do well. You then go and take the images, attach that into your store, and treat it as if it's a product that you currently hold. When somebody buys from the store, you then go to AliExpress, purchase the product, and they then fulfill the deal and have it delivered to your customer. Sounds simple, right?
No.
The issue is that if you want to dropship to South Africa, not only will you experience very long waiting times, like 27 to 42 days, and it's just not practical. No South African is going to wait that long for a product, especially when they have Takealot.com that delivers in 2 to 3 days. So you might be thinking, well, why can't I dropship to America or to Europe? Well, you can do this. However, once your store is set up, you need to send traffic to the store. And the only way for you to send traffic to the store is to pay for Facebook and Instagram advertising. And as you know, if you're in South Africa spending rands to get traffic to your store overseas in dollars or euros, this is going to be so expensive and just not practical at all. And for this reason, I don't think it's the best answer for a South African who wants to make money online. The next way is affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is the process of earning commission through marketing another person or company's product. You find a product you like, you promote it to others, and then you then get a commission of every sale that's made at no additional cost to the customer. Affiliate marketing is basically like acting as an online bridge. You have a person who needs a certain solution or a solution to their problem, and then you have the product that can do that. You are then going to act as a bridge between the two. To put it into perspective, some of the largest companies in the world are basically just affiliate marketing websites. Airbnb has the largest inventory of real estate in the entire world, yet they own no property. Uber has the largest inventory of taxis and cars, yet they own no cars. And Facebook is the largest media content platform in the world, yet they create no content. I think you guys get the idea. In order to become affiliate for any company's product, you simply go to their website, scroll to the bottom of their page, and they should say something like this: become an affiliate or become a partner. Once you sign up and register, they'll give you a unique link that can be tracked to you, and then you can start promoting their product. You can then put that link in your Instagram bio, promote it on YouTube, and promote it on your blog. And if somebody clicks on it and purchases the product, you make money. If you'd like to see an example of affiliate marketing, you can actually click the link in my bio to see me marketing the products that I can't live without in my business, and that's something that I use every single day in my business. And I do it in a way that rewards the person for using the product, and also I reward it in a way that it solves the person's problem. So while there may not be much of a barrier of entry to get started in affiliate marketing, the thing where most people fail is they forget that they need to create a brand and give value first. This is the thing that most people forget when starting affiliate marketing. They go and write a 200-word blog post on the internet, but chuck 400 affiliate links in that blog post, and it's so easy to spot. Solve people's problems, build an audience, build a niche around your passion, and then think of ways you can solve people's problems by promoting affiliate products. That is the best way to do it. The next way is Forex. Forex isn't something that's new to South Africans, and you can actually see South Africans doing Forex all over Instagram because the dudes are constantly flexing. No. The objective of Forex trading is to exchange one currency pair for another with the expectation that the price will change in your favor. If you speculate correctly, you make money. If you don't, you lose money. However, without a mentor or good experience when it comes to trading Forex, there's a good chance that you're going to lose most of your money. It's a commonly known fact in the Forex industry that 95% of traders lose their money and quit. So without a mentor by your side or any money to invest in online courses, I don't think this is the best way for South Africans to make money online. This then moves us on to the best way, in my opinion, for South Africans to start making money online. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is social media marketing. So what is social media marketing? Well, social media marketing can be split into two parts. You have the content management side of social media, and then you have the advertising part. Content management is posting and creating content on a company's behalf, and also it involves the community management side, which is responding to comments and replying to messages. The other way is social media marketing and advertising, which is using paid media such as Facebook and Instagram ads to drive traffic to stores to make them more money. I currently own a digital marketing agency that just specializes in paid media. We basically use Facebook and Instagram advertising to make business owners more money. And I can tell you, this is so in demand. Ladies and gentlemen, the reason why this is so lucrative right now is because business owners don't know how to run profitable ads, and they're too busy running their businesses to worry about this whole social media thing. Please show me one business owner right now that doesn't want to make more money. If you can figure out how paid media works and how you can utilize that to make businesses more money, you'll have a paying customer for a lifetime. These businesses will pay you retainers of anywhere between 7 to 15,000 Rand, depending on the niche and depending on the amounts of results you can get them. How many of these contracts do you think you need to change your life? Well, not that many. And this is the best part of where it comes in. In the early stages, while you're learning all about social media marketing and how it works, you don't actually need to know everything. In the beginning stages, if you're completely broke, you pick up the phone, you start calling business owners, and you get them to agree to have a meeting with you. Once you go and see the business owners, you persuade them to invest in your services. Then once they have invested in your services, then you can find freelancers on a site like Upwork or Fiverr to fulfill these services and do them for you. Now, make sure you find freelancers that know what they're doing, and make sure you find freelancers that will give your customer the best possible service. You then take the money that the owner has paid you minus what the freelancer charges, and the difference, you then keep the profit. You take that profit and you start investing it into books and into online courses so that you can then better your skills and become more valuable. It's very important to understand these skills. In the beginning, when I was getting started, I made sure I understood every single aspect of paid media and social media marketing, so that I could start hiring people who can carry out the tasks that I needed them to do. I understand that it's a big learning curve to start learning how digital marketing works, but that doesn't necessarily mean that you can't get started. So pick up the phone, start calling business owners, get them to agree to a meeting with you, get them to invest in your services, get them to pay you a fee, find a freelancer for half the price, and then keep the profit and invest it into yourself. The reason why social media marketing is so amazing is because once you nail it down and you get really good at paid media, you really are making a difference in these business owners' life. As you all know, South Africa is in very tough economic times, and everybody needs more customers. If you can master social media marketing and paid media and give these guys more customers, you are changing their lives, ladies and gentlemen. As a business owner, it makes my job that much more enjoyable, and it's good to see that you're making a positive difference in somebody's life. Ladies and gentlemen, with that being said, that is the best way I think there is to make money online. And to really drive this point home, there is really no such thing as easy money. If you guys want easy money, invest in the latest Bitcoin scam, or just go play the lotto. When people approach this whole online money thing, they forget to treat it for what it actually is, and that is a business. If you don't treat it like a business, you won't make money. If you treat it like a business, that's when you start making money online. So I hope this video provided you guys with some value. Please click the link in my bio if you're interested in joining my private entrepreneurs group. And if you guys are South African and watching this and you're currently making money online, drop me a comment in the comment section. I'd love to chat to you guys. I'd love to network, and I'd love to hear how you guys are making money online and how you have mastered it. If this video provided you with any value, hit that subscribe button. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next video.